Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming prerequisites, then take the first actionable steps. Enable the Compute Engine API and verify billing is active. Once done, set a default region and zone to reduce prompts and ensure you have an IAM role with VM creation rights. Generate or upload SSH keys or open Cloud Shell for immediate command line access. This gets your environment ready so you can create an instance without interruption. Now move to instance configuration with confidence and speed. You now configure the VM, pick a machine family and exact vCPU and memory to match workload needs. Then choose the boot image, disk type, and encryption. Make sure to balance cost versus performance. Next, configure networking. Assign VPC, external IP if needed, and add firewall tags to permit traffic. Set a service account and OAuth scopes and include startup scripts or metadata to automate initialization. Once configured, you can launch the instance and monitor serial console output to confirm boot. You finish by verifying the VM, SSH in, inspect system logs, and test network ports to confirm services respond. Make sure to install OS updates, enable cloud monitoring and logging, and schedule disk snapshots or backups for resilience. For production, attach proper IAM least privilege roles and automated health checks. If something goes wrong and the VM won't boot, check the serial console for kernel errors. Confirm you haven't hit CPU or disk quotas, and validate firewall or IAM rules.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.